Hello everyone, it's Nat. Today we're going to talk about percent change and error. So mostly, you might look at a board that what you buy in a weekend, maybe a week, and you see them, there's a lot of changes. But you can't change like in October, you buy grocery for $330 to $20, and November you buy $340, and you compare with electricity, you only buy for October you only buy $80, and November you buy for $88. You can't compare that because the grocery is just bigger, just have bigger numbers. So what we do is we first, subtract this number and this number. So 320 minus 340, and if you make it always positive, like 2 slashes, you will get 20. So you equal to $20. And second one, 80 minus 88, make it positive, $8. 42 minus 40, it's negative too, but when we do it, it's just still positive. First we minus first, later we make it positive. If you do it, you can move the negative because you don't need it. And now the way we turn to percents, the percent change is equal to the new original to the normal divided by the original. So here is the new original, and we're going to divide it by October because it's the old original. So mostly we will use calculators, but it's quite slow in the video. And you can stop the video to calculate, but I'm going to give you the answer. So the first one is 6.25% that I have used a calculator on and calculate it. Second is 10% in my calculator, and the last one is 7.76 when I round it up. So usually you need to round it up so you can make a normal percent, or maybe it's too long of a percent. So when we learn hard, you don't pay attention. So this is how to do a percent change. And you can see right here is the electricity use 10% more than normal. So percent change is 10%. The water has changed 4.76 and it's changed down, so you use less dollars. So that's a great change. This is a bad change and a bad change because it wastes more dollar. Calculate that right. Now for the percent error. So you have to do it. So this is how. Percent error is equal to estimate and estimated actual divided by actual value, And if you want, you can type it by 100. So this is how you do it. And what if I have a quarter and I put on my ruler, I measure it. I think it's about 1 inches, and I check it, and it's actually 0.955 inches. So now we're gonna do this one. First, I'm gonna put $1 in because I estimated, and then minus the actual means 955,000 divided by 955,000 times 100. So if I use my calculators, I get it about 4.71% error. This is when I estimate. So this is a question that in the start is what quarter that I measure is 1 inch on the ruler, and the real value is 955,000 inches. So you would like hear something similar to that, and you can try to find the percent error when you do your math. Okay, that's all my view. I hope you enjoy. Bye. See you next time.